Hello everyone. Today in this video we will talk about Copilot Studio. So all of you must be aware about the new AI tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini. So in that way Microsoft has introduced Copilot Studio in which we can create our own custom Copilot which will be answerable related to the information which we provide to it. So firstly you have to log into this Copilot Studio. Here you can see you can describe what you want to create. Then there are several template available like what you want to create, store operation or sustainability inside, then team navigator, weather related, whatever you want to create you can click on see more and there will be more templates available. And when you scroll down you will also find the learning resources on which you can find a step-by-step guide to create your own custom copilot. So basically when you want to create a new copilot or let's say custom copilot, you have to click on this create button and then you can select either a template or simply click on the new copilot. So when you click on this you have to enter a message so that whenever someone log into that they will be introduced by it. So let's say I will enter hi, I am Anmol Malviya, and you can enter this. So it will return that hi Anmol, nice to meet you. In a few sentences, how will your copilot assist your user? So let's say it will demonstrate how to create copilot. So these are few details which we have to enter. Then you can simply click on create. So on the top right corner you will see the create button. You can click on it and a new copilot will get created. Next we will name it and provide further information. So here you can see that we have the name option, description is loading, instruction is loading. Then there is option for that allow the AI to use its own general knowledge. So let's say you have provided some knowledge to it and the Copilot can't find answer within it, so it can search from other platforms like Google or Microsoft Bing and provide you the correct answer. So these are few features which you can see on the home page. uh, After few minutes you can see this edit option is also enabled, so you can click on edit and rename your copilot. Let's say we will call it demo copilot. You can also add the icon, and if you want to add description then you can add it and you simply click on save. Then the next option is of knowledge, so you can add a knowledge source to this copilot. Either it can be a public website or you can upload files from your local machine. You can add a link of a SharePoint or OneDrive, and there are also many other options, so you can simply go through all of them and provide them as a source of knowledge for your copilot. So these are few basic things which you have to keep in mind. Once everything is ready you can simply click on this publish button and your copilot will be ready. Then you can embed it into Teams or wherever you want to use it. It will also provide you a shareable link using which you can share it with others. So this is all about Copilot Studio. Thank you.